That's so close. Today is very, very exciting because I'm about to go and play probably one of my favourite childhood games that I've ever owned. Now you may have heard me speak about it here and there on the channel, but I've grown up playing Need for Speed Carbon from the age of like 10, and I finally got my hands on a copy of it for the 360, so we're going to jump into it. Start off a new Throwback Thursday series. Update required! Oh, I don't know if you guys want to keep seeing more of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on the channel at all, because that one just kind of died and just really didn't get any attention, but if there's people that want me to play it, then I will just continue doing that just in general, if people want to see it.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Vaugier.
Oh,
the
Nikki.
moves that you and your crew do in the game are meant to stay in the game. In the real world, drive safe, obey the laws of the road,
and always wear your seatbelt. Got it. We're not skipping any of these cutscenes either. This is what made the game great. We don't have this stuff in Forza anymore. We don't have these cutscenes. Horizon 1 was good. We don't get them in this. Well, we don't get them in Horizons anymore.
I didn't expect you to show your face again. Things have changed around here. This place is a battleground now. Tuners, muscles, exotics. Crews fighting for territory in the city. And it all gets settled in the canyon.
Canyons were so good.
Never survive.
That's what Forza's missing. I get so many copyrights for the music as well. Oh man. So my program decided to crap itself on a laptop and freeze. So we've missed out on a bit of the filming just as well I wasn't doing the career mode. So pretty much what I do whenever I come and play this game, or whenever I start a new career, I always come across to these challenge series. Because what these do is they unlock a few extra things in the game for you. And one of the things that you can unlock is a 240SX, which you can't buy from any of the garages until you do this challenge series to unlock it. So pretty much all I was doing, I was just kind of like going through, unlocking a few extra things for us to have in the career before we actually jumped into career. And yeah, so we're just going to finish off. I'm going to finish off this one. So we get that tornado spoiler. I don't remember what any of these look like. And then go and jump into the career mode for the next video. But we missed out. This Toyota Supra was such a good sound. So I guess we're just gonna have to wait for later on in the series when we own a Toyota Supra. And the Z06 is insane. We used it in a canyon run. And it was just bonkers. It's such an aggressive sound. The sense of speed in this game, so we're doing 100, but this looks so much faster than 100. Just the motion blur and the camera shake. So much. I prefer this compared to Horizon, to be honest, because doing 100 in Horizon feels like you're doing 50. When you're doing 100 in this game, it feels like you're doing like 150. Oh, we almost died on that wall. Oh, we're coming in full swing into this. No! Damn it. You hit the correction at the wrong point and you're going straight into a wall and there's nothing you can do about it. Oh my god! Bricks were shot. drive away to the finish line for another win. I'm just hoping my laptop doesn't crap it. Oh, my ankle crapped itself. Doesn't decide to freeze on me again. Alright, get this one done, and we'll do that 240 one. We'll do that at the end of the video. So we'll do a couple more of these things. Get things like the spoilers and bumper kits, all that kind of stuff unlocked first, so that when we jump into career mode, we got just a few more things there. Oh, wrong button. How about the turbo whistles on this thing? That is some HKS blow off. Oh my god, blow off valve stuff going on there. I used to know like every shortcut and back street on this road, or in this game actually. Oh, why would you do that? Whoa! That's so close. Come on, all the way to the finish. We're gonna take our little thing through here. Oh, we had 6 gears. My bad. Sorry, sorry camshafts. This one, using the Plymouth, or Plymouth, however you want to call it. I remember these things really like to get sideways. They were nice and a little bit more slidey, well, compared to that Reynolds. Oh, the sound of a supercharger. We're gonna go for the early upshift and nos it. Oh, wrong button. I gotta remember what's what. Oh, come on, get there. Cutting it fine. As long as we hit the right buttons, we should be all good. Get off the wall. Oh, there's a shortcut up here. I know that for a fact, and then it links up to another one. Look at this. Memories coming back of this game. That's a really good pursuit breaker as well! I forgot that bit. And this one, so many cars get trapped there in the races. Pretty sure there's something off the left here. There it is. Thank you. Oh, we've really got ourselves lucky there. Oh, the ice cream. That thing would roll down the street, and if you had like rhinos or something coming the other way, turn in, thank you. It would just demolish them. There we go. To time attacks. I don't know what you call these ones. I've forgotten. Oh, in a Porsche GT3. This thing should be insane. I don't know if you can buy this from one of the garages. What a sound though. I wish you could buy this in the garage. I'm sure I would have owned one if you could. Oh, why would you do that? We're gonna need a restart. We could be having some problems with the... Oh, didn't mean to press that. That's gotta be much more challenging. How did I do this when I was 10? not much time at all. Wow, how did I do that? We made progress! We made progress! Oh shit, I forgot that button existed. We can keep that up. We can keep that up. We should be good. I'm gonna take a little sneaky through here. When you're on the NOS and you gotta shift up, you kinda gotta use your left thumb to change up gears. But then that means your thumb is not there to steer. And you kinda have to do like very quick hand aerobics. There's a thing down. Oh, I missed it. There's a shortcut on that left side. Right side, actually. It is a very good shortcut to take as well. There we go, we're ahead of time as long as I don't die. We're golden! Look at that, 14 seconds to spare. Feel like I'm running out of daylight as well. I'm probably going to be very dark in there. How am I looking? No, we still got a bit of light. Alright, let's go unlock this 240. Let's go get it done. Oh, isn't this one of the boss's cars? What a sound! There's that weird hand aerobic thing that we gotta do. Whoa, whoa! That was a bit close for comfort. Oh, we're fine. We got so much time. Oh, I guess this is the first one of these challenges. Sorry. Done. That was relatively pain-free. I mean, we did crash, but they gave us loads of time. Back in Murcielago. We had one of these, one of the drift ones that would have been recorded, except that f***ing thing. Another boss car. Is this just all boss cars for this one? What a sound though! I'm glad that was a shortcut. I had a feeling there was something there, but I wasn't sure. Not bad entry. I don't know if you can count that as a shortcut. That feels like it'd be slower than just going the normal way. What? Almost complete. Yep, we're going this way. "17 seconds to get to that finish line. What kind of push? Come on, get there, get there." And nailed it. Sort of. Plenty of damage done to the car. Alrighty, last one. 21 miles. I don't know if I can be bothered with that one, to be honest. But it is for our 240, so I guess Yeah, okay, whatever. We kind of have to do it. I've had way too many attempts at this. And there's 13 checkpoints. I haven't even got halfway. Oh, you son of a bitch. We gotta hit this speed breaker just right. Just missed that corner. I gotta remember to downshift while using the speed breaker. I don't get how a game from like 2005, I don't know when this one was made, has better car sounds than something that was made, what, last year? When was Forza done? Horizon 4. Yeah, some of the sounds in Horizon 4 are a little bit, I'm gonna ride that wall, help us get around. Because especially the Supra in this game, like that was my first attempt at a recording, is the Supra was just an insane sound. Like the sound you expect a Supra to make in a video game. A very 2000s Fast and Furious sound. Yeah, whatever, we'll take it. Alright, I messed up here in my last attempt. Not last attempt, one of the attempts. Alright, we are officially as far as we have gotten in this race! Jesus! So I'd say we're making very good progress. Shush! I don't know if it's just me, but I kind of prefer the physics in this one compared to Payback. I feel like Payback is like that little bit too twitchy. This still kind of has like a little bit of give before the cars decide to slingshot you into a wall. Oh, big truck. Those things are good for when you got police coming though. They have saved my ass many a times. See if we can nail it here. That's what I'm talking about. That's the turning I want. Oh, not the shifting I want though. My left thumb is getting quite sore from all the steering. I missed my wheel. Come on, Eva, let's get you to stretch your legs. Can we get 200, 200, 200, 200? Oh, 200, oh my god. Dead, 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 dead. We're gonna downshift a few times. Needed to downshift a few more times, actually. Oh, we're coming up to our last checkpoint. I didn't even realize. Well, we're good. We got this. 17 seconds. And 360. Oh, didn't happen. Didn't happen. Man, what a race. What a long track. Alright, there we go. I think that's going to be it for today. Whoa. That's our first look at... Wow, my wrist is... I don't know if I'm a fan of playing on a controller anymore. That's our first look at Need for Speed Carbon. If you want to keep seeing it on the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, leave some comments, let me know what you guys want to see in this game, and we'll keep playing it.